What's up, guys? Today I have the Air Jordan 9 Flight Nostalgia colorway. It just came out today. We're gonna open up the box. We're gonna see what it's like inside, and we're gonna throw it on foot. And you're gonna let me know what you think of it in the comment section below, because that's the whole basis of my YouTube channel. This is a pretty cool colorway of the Air Jordan 9. The Air Jordan 9 was always like a plain shoe to me. There was nothing ever super exciting about it, but I like what this colorway does with the whole sneaker. You get a nice 23 in the back. If we zoom right in, you can see there's an interesting little Jordan World logo. Pretty nice logo if you ask me. Colorway's nice, got a lot of different colors popping. This is a nice little leather material that they have here. If we zoom all the way in, you can kind of see the detail's pretty cool. It's got some nice tumble to it. You can let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. I always like this kind of small Jordan sign on this sneaker. It's pretty cool, if you ask me. Let's just check out what this says here. Dream it, do it slogan, I think that's what that is. This is a pretty cool shoe, I'm not gonna lie. I like the colorway a lot. Let's just get it on foot though, because once it's on foot, you can tell me what you think of it in the comment section below. There'll be a link to buy these on StockX. It's an affiliate marketing link, so let me know. If you want the shoe, you can check it out. You can probably get it for under retail. Let me know if you grab here in the comment section below. I'm gonna throw these on right now. Honestly, my first impression of these is they're a much nicer shoe than I thought. Especially as soon as I got them on foot and I realized the colors don't match on each side of the shoe. That's really cool to me. I love having asymmetrical shoes. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, let me know what you think of these in the comment section below for the 7th time in the video. I find these sneakers pretty fire. I'm gonna get up here. The colorway itself is really nice. As you can see, it has nice little reflections in the light. If you like these pants, the way they stack is really cool. You can check them out on Amazon. That's another affiliate marketing link, by the way. So I do get paid a little bit if you buy something with the link. They're nudies. I get a size that's a little bit too long for me. So a size 34 length so that they stack here like this. Honestly, all in all, the sneakers are really nice. I can't complain about the sneakers at all. I think this is a much nicer shoe than I ever thought it was. I would love a pair. I don't know if I could pay retail for it though. I'd like a pair for if I could get it for maybe 90 bucks, that would be crazy, you know? That would be amazing. I'm a huge outlet shopper, as my subscribers know. So I need these at outlet pricing. Another thing I gotta share with you guys here is it says Air Jordan right there. That's pretty cool. I just noticed that right there. It's kind of nice little addition to the sneaker. Air Jordan. It's good for whoever's wearing it can read what it says. It's a great little colorway. I honestly, I'm at a loss for words because I thought this shoe was crap, and I kind of like it a lot now that I actually have it on foot. I always hated these Jordan 9s, I swear. This is probably one of my favorite colorways. I might have to keep this. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, do all that stuff. Goodbye. Before I go, I'm gonna add to this drawn out video here by showing you the inside of the shoe. It's got a lot of cushioning. It feels really luxurious. The interior looks really nice. If you're wondering how this size tag looks, that's it right there. All in all, it's a great little shoe. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye. Subscribe to the channel. Just check out the back here. Like, that's just lit, you know? I'm sorry I'm rambling. I'm going on and on. Just, I kind of like this shoe a lot. I thought it was a piece of crap earlier, before I bought it, to be honest with you. These are really nice, in my opinion. They're way nicer than I thought they would be. Wow. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Goodbye.